क्या हो हेलो आपको देता हूँ
फोटो मिलेगा आपको। वो शुभम
आपका थोड़ा हाथ आ रहा
राइल ले रहा तो ले रहे ना हाँ हाला है ना
बबन कोणार as usual.
थैंक यू
टी शर्ट है
lot of our production is happening, a lot of in-house productions, and we have nuts from like almost 40 countries.
First one in Goa.
Yes. Yeah, Sharma, when it clicked within 6 months, we have
One is yours. How many? 138.
yeah, 125. 125. So mainly in Mumbai, Bangalore, that's I guess what we're focusing on. And Goa is one of the spots we really wanted to be. So I look forward to that. There's many reasons that
come back.
we are here. Always in the front. So our honey best is our one of the things is our saffron honey. Yes.
रेंज का प्रॉब्लम है।
Hello. नमस्कार.
मेरा क्या है इधर
Second को बहुत नया चिकन है.
Yes, shakes and everything. It's not sugar. Just use this. No, it's like syrup. It's like you base syrup. You put it in.
अब चाहिए.
पीटी की इसका भाषा बात करें पता चलेगा कौन
Sorry, 405. 405. Salem. Salem S-A-L-E-M. No, Sal, S-A-L, Sal. Yeah, Salem. Picholim, Goa. Yeah. Panjim Goa का right is there.
फाइबर
Suppose a vegetable.
फाइबर है ये अंबर ये अंबर है ये
बैठ गए पूरे गए सर हम बाहर आता तो बाहर सारा कुछ नहीं चलो उसको बाहर
आइटम्स प्रॉफिट का बॉडी के
सर एक न्यू इनिशिएटिव ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट चालू केला विलेज लेवल एंटरप्रिनर्स देर इज बी लॉट ऑफ एजंट्स आता किती न्यू इनिशिएटिव केल्ले आसा
See, the most important part is we are going digital in a big way. As many as 60 services have been digitized. People, there is no direct link of the public to, there is no need for them to go and interact with the officers. Everything can be done online. And there are many more services are being added every month or every 2 months. Through this has been being done on a very continuous basis. Yesterday, we have launched a program called VLE, Village Level Entrepreneurs. With village level entrepreneurs, whatever services are there to be availed of by the people, they don't understand a service, how to get the permits. All this, those agents can do. Officially, they are allowed to charge, these youth are allowed to charge about 100 rupees. And every day, we have calculated, nobody gets less than 20 customers or 20 people wanting the services. So 20 into 10, it becomes 2,000 integrated in this program.
Sir, tomorrow Union Finance Minister is going to inaugurate the museum. Anything on that, sir?
Dharohar, which means heritage, is the name of the museum. This is the first such museum in the country, which is being inaugurated by the Honorable Finance Minister tomorrow. And this is going to be as part of the celebrations of 75 years what we are having. And I think this museum shows the evolution of taxes in this country, right from the SALT Act up till culminating in the new regime of indirect taxation, which is the GST. How it evolved all throughout, it showcases that. But there is much more than taxation, what people understand. Customs, they will catch you. Income tax, they will come and catch you if you don't pay. What other services they do? Like customs is linked to serving society. They are the people who catch the druggies. They are the people who confiscate drugs. They are the people who don't allow drug smuggling. Are they not contributing to helping the youth of the country from getting away from the bad habits that they would have got as a consequence of if they had allowed smuggling of drugs and other things? So this is their contribution. Their contribution is there in wildlife as well. They don't not only do custom duty. Similarly, which you will see tomorrow, I don't want to say more. Same way, GST as to how the taxes evolved, as I told you, right from when the salt tax. National movement for freedom, Gandhi launched that movement. You know very well history. Same way, GST how it came. When nobody could get GST, many prime ministers, many ministers, many governments spoke about it. Who finally made it a reality? Reality was made by our COVID. What was the situation? We wanted exemption for certain goods. She gave it. We wanted importing of certain equipment to help COVID patient. Certain things to be done, exemptions to be granted for the vaccination of the people, which by now has taken place. People are now going for the booster dose. Private people. We have to see that government also develops facilities, infrastructure for the good of public, but private sector also has to come up. Today you see how it has developed. Do you not see the sea change? One should have the vision thinking that way, no? Other government means we give everything and then nothing remains to be developed in the hands of the private sector. You see how things are coming up here.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
I forgot Daji.
ताजी भेट घेता रे.
I forgot Daji is there.
ताजी आयज एक बरे शॉप ओपन केला.
वास्कोय मेळटलें मुरगांवय मेळटलें सो आय कॉंग्रेच्युलेट पोपटी सर आनी इज शॉप म्हणजे बरें हांगा पयलें जाल्यार तुमकां कळटलें की तरेतरेचे खाजूर म्हणजे आमी नॉर्मली एकूच खाजूर कसले पळयताले मॅक्झिमम
which has, we have brought the world in under one roof, with 17 countries, different varieties, confectionaries, and dates, nuts, and with 45 varieties of dates itself, which is sourced from our Al Ula farm in Medina. So we have sourced in that kind of a manner, procured